तो अभी हम आए हैं बी फार्मिंग में। देखिए यहाँ पे मधुमक्खियों का पालन होता है और यहाँ पे हनी बनाई जाती है, शहद बनाया जाता है। तो हम वहीं पर आए हैं, आगे चलते हैं, वहाँ पर देखेंगे कि कैसे बी फार्मिंग की जा रही है।
Italian bee. Bee from Italy, but long time ago. But now the hybrid, not original species. You can move them there. This one, the new alive, they're a little bit aggressive. Inside, almost of them is a worker bee. Worker bee or female, lifespan 3 months only. But this is a queen bee. Biggest in height and long life. She can stay for 7 years. Only queen 7 years because she is special food.
Can you
we
once
call
again show
royal
the
jelly.
queen?
Have only one queen can eat royal jelly every day and her never eat honey. But when queen bee die, worker bee they choose a new queen. They make they come big than normal size. We call queen cell. And worker bee they shoot one larva put in queen cell. For one time they make a lot of queen. But when first queen she come out, she kill another queen. Maybe have 2 queen they separate hive and swarm to another pet build new hive.
अगर बैठे तो हाथ मत लगाना उसको।
This box we can collect honey every 6 months. When bee they use beeswax white color cover up. In 6 months can collect 9 or 10 kilo per one box.
Oh,
The big one. And inside not have drone because drone when they fly out to mate with queen they fall down and they die. Yes, after this you can follow your guide. We have more information for you inside.
Follow me this way. So follow me. We have more information inside and the chain.
Okay.
This is cotton, right?
Gapi kaki.
and they not bite?
They bite. You see?
Yes, yes, I can see. So you disturbed anyone from there? You disturb them?
No, just 1 month. Just they bite me just 5 times, 6 times in 1 month.
Oh.
But this box they new alive. This one came already. It's okay. They're more calm.
Okay.
Yes.
So do you have some medicine for that?
No, not.
No medicine.
If,
It will go in 2-3 days.
just actually normal people just use 3 days for healing. But me get bite so many times. Just 1 day is okay. Not become swollen.
Okay. Mature honey.
Normally supermarket one is raw honey. Raw honey easy to crystallize. So this one you can keep many years, no problem.
That's the same. The same. Maybe hand the skin cream.
ไม่มีคนมาพลาดเลยนะ Yes, sir, yes, sir.
What do you got? Excuse me, inside no video.
So
Sorry, no
right
video.
now we have tasted
Okay.
natural honey. Now we're going to taste all. It's organic honey, right?